Hello everyone, how are you? Once again, welcome back to my channel Sajit of Medico. I am Sanjeev Bansal, distributor of medical equipments and healthcare products. Friends, आज मेरे लिए बहुत बड़े ऑनर की बात है. I am sitting with the most respectable, honorable sir, Dr. Avinash Kulkarni, who is a leading pediatrician at Paschim Vihar. मेरे लिए बहुत बड़े ऑनर की बात है. आई एम नोन टू सर सिंस अ वेरी वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, सिंस अराउंड मोर देन 20 years. और मैं आ रहा हूँ, रेगुलर विजिट कर रहा हूँ. मैं तो यही कहूँगा, आप लोगों की भी अगर कोई पेडियाट्रिक नीड्स हैं तो आई विल पुट ऑल द नंबर्स ऑफ सर clinic numbers in the description box. You can come, you can visit, and you will get the best of the treatment, as I am known to sir since a very long time. और अब मैं सर से ही मतलब जानते हैं कि मतलब सर इज़ नोन टू आवर कंपनी, व्हाट आर इज रिव्यूज़ रिगार्डिंग आवर कंपनी, रिगार्डिंग द सर्विसेज ऑफ द कंपनी, एंड रिगार्डिंग मी संजीव एज एन इंडिविजुअल. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. वेलकम सर.
So I know Sanjeev as a distributor for medical equipments for last 23 years now, which is a long time, and he started on a very low scale and now he has progressed leaps and bounds because of his sheer hard work and the services which he provides with promptness. So all our equipments including stethoscope, ophthalmoscope, height meters, everything, weighing scales, etc., has come from him. If there's any problem with the equipment, all his phone call away, and his promptness is the one which is really impressive, and I wish him the best in life, and I hope he progresses much more than what he is doing now. His services to the patients whom we refer to for nebulizers and other equipments, also the patients are very happy with his services, again because of his promptness and diligence that he has to do it personally. So all the best to him.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
sir. Thank you. It is only possible because of your good wishes and your blessings. Sir, one more thing I would like to ask you. आप थोड़ी सी sir to our viewers just give your parenting tips because that is really very beneficial to the parents. अभी जो ऐसा जैसे hot summers चल रही हैं, बहुत extreme गर्मी है. So what are your views regarding the parents and what precaution they should take for the proper health of the children? First question is this, sir. I would like to have your valuable views, sir.
So we all know the summers have come with a vengeance, and the temperature is crossing beyond 40 during the daytime. The most important part is to keep the hydration of the children in order. So to do that, just plain simple water does not help because we are losing a lot of salt also in our sweat. So if you do not add salt to your liquids, salt deficiency will have occur, and the children will have cramps and tiredness, etc. So the best option for that is coconut water or lime water with little extra salt. So, and it can be combined with normal water also, but it has to be given in proportion to both the plain water, and the coconut water is a very good example of looking at the hydration. The other important thing is that the children are going for outdoor activities, they have to be applied sunscreen because sun is very hot during the daytime, and this can lead to a lot of rashes and loss of fluids from the skin, and that's where important usage of sunscreen is very important for outdoor activities.
Right. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Sir, one more question I would like to ask you. After COVID, we had seen that most of the children and the youngsters, they have got online using computers, laptops, or the mobile phones. And most of the people are not offline. They have now started offline. So, sir, ये मुझे जरूर एक query है. Please tell our viewers that what the children and youngsters should do to avoid the loss due to this online pattern.
Right, so we all know that COVID has given us a lot of time at home, and the children have landed with a lot of extra screen time, and it's become a habit because of which a whole lot of children have started putting on weight. Their social interaction with other children is not good because of that. So my opinion for that is to let the children go out for some sports activity, and the 1 hour or 1.5 hours of sport activity will have good interaction with other children. At the same time, they'll come out of that the screen time. Now the recommended screen time beyond the age of 2 years is maximum 2 to 3 hours, which includes the study part also. But we see in children they are excessively engaged in screen time, whether it's iPad or phone or TV. So that needs to be restricted, and that can only be done when the children are sent out to play. The play activity is what is going to take care of the screen time, excess screen time. So
Right.
that is important. Yes.
Right. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Sir, one last question. What do you suggest regarding the diet pattern for the parents, especially for children who are in the age of around 6 years or 10 years or even more than that? But this one more query I am having, sir. So I'd like to have your valuable suggestion.
So any balanced diet is what is going to give them a immune status. So it's the immunity of the child depends on the nutrition also. So if you are not balancing the diet between cereals and pulses and vegetables and fruits, then the deficiencies will start occurring and they'll end up with problems as far as vitamin D is concerned, B12 is concerned, other trace elements. So best option is to allow them to have all which is seasonal. At the same time, insist on at least one vegetable one day, one fruit a day. The rest of the things they can take as per their taste. But now that junk foods are available in plenty all over, so
Yes,
we
sir.
cannot avoid it. If you make a rule that they can take it once a week,
Right, sir.
then that question of craving goes off.
Yes,
And
sir.
it's important that you allow them to have junk food, but at the same time, rest of the 6 days they should be taking just home prepared food, and that is how we can maintain a balance.
Right, sir. Right,
Yeah.
right. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for giving your valuable feedback. And this will really help a lot of our viewers, sir, because your suggestions are always very valuable. It holds a lot of your experience, sir. And I'm really very thankful to you for giving this valuable suggestion and your valuable time. Thank you very much, sir.